Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be explaining you on how you can send Ethereum from MoonPay. So sending Ethereum safely from MoonPay is straightforward. The first thing that you will have to do is open your MoonPay and of course log in with your right credentials. And once you've logged in, you will basically just have to create your profile first, verify your account, and activate your portfolio for smooth transactions. And once that's all set, you will make sure that you have the send crypto feature, and once you see that, you will just have to click send crypto, and you will select Ethereum. And once you've selected your Ethereum, what you will have to do is basically you will just have to enter the recipient address or scan QR code, and then of course you will enter the amount, and then you will review fees and then click confirm. And after that, you will just have to complete the verification if required, and you will just have to wait for the blockchain confirmation, and your ETH should appear in the recipient wallet. And of course, you do have to double check the address and network, because Ethereum transactions are irreversible. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.